Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Qanda app. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Qanda app and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can go to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Qanda app. Here you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.